As an accountant who is working with numbers all day, you might be surprised to know I had major credit card debt, major mortgage debt. When I got divorced, that was a real eye-opener that I need to take control of my finances. So I started Camp-Fi to get confidence and support from the community that's working towards financial independence. My name is Stephen Baughier. I'm 41 years old. I used to be an accountant. Now I'm the CEO of Camp-Fi. Camp-Fi is a retreat for people on their journey to financial independence. A person reaches financial independence once they've acquired 25 times their annual expenses. I really want Camp-Fi to be a place where people get more confidence in making financial decisions. After applying what I've learned from the financial independence community for a few years, my numbers started showing me that, hey, you have acquired enough to support 6 to 7 years of your lifestyle. What it boils down to is that money is just a tool to help us create the life that we want to live. Being intentional with my savings and investing gives me more time to do the things that make me happy.